all of the power for the conversion feeds off the vehicle loom that powers your interior lights. So if you ever blow a fuse, it's in the fuse box by the footwell of the passenger feet. The cable that we put in the loom, so to speak, triple core loom, plugs into the vehicle loom right here. Brown/red is obviously positive, and the yellow is the trigger negative for the doors, and the white is a constant earth, which powers these black switches up here. So just keep in mind, if you do want to run the whole conversion, including the bed, underside of the bed, off an auxiliary battery, just run a positive line up to this point and just disconnect the brown or the red and plug it into yours. Leave the negatives connected as they are so your doors still work. That will only all work if you have your auxiliary battery running or earthed to the vehicle, so it completes the circuit. If your auxiliary batteries aren't earthed to the vehicle, run 2 lines up, obviously your positive and your negative. So unplug the white and plug it into your negative feed on your auxiliary battery. That's quite a simple thing to do for any auto electrician if you're ever worried about it. If they're having issues, just tell them to give us a call. I'm more than happy to chat about it. But yeah, essentially that's how you feed the whole conversion with power. Cool, thanks.